Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you what you get with the Blink Video Doorbell Plus Sync Module 2. Battery or wired, day and night HD live video, two-way audio, chime alerts, and a 2-year battery life. And it says the Sync Model 2 included. Experience all the added benefits of the Sync Model 2. Works with Alexa. Here's the side of the box. If you want to read that, go ahead and pause it there. Install wired or wire-free. Blink Video Doorbell is designed for every home, and there's the Sync model, the Module 2. And here's the other side. What's in the box? You get a video doorbell, the Sync module, 2 AA 1.5 volt lithium batteries, 1 corner mount, 6 screws, 1 USB cable, 1 power adapter, and 1 case opening tool. Alright, so I haven't even taken a look at this. You can see the plastic still on it. Let's open it up. Let's see what we get. There it is out of the box. It just slides open like that. Visually, this seems pretty nice so far. The packaging seems well put together. Now if I can figure out how to open it. Oh, here we go on the side. And it just opens up. It says getting started. You have to download the app. Add your Sync Module 2 to your account in the Blink app. Remove the back cover from your doorbell. Add the video doorbell to your account. And then select wired or wire-free configuration. And here's the video doorbell. Taped in there. And the back's already off of it. There's the back. It's actually pretty big. Let me see if I could zoom out a little bit. There it is in my hand. It's pretty big. Not small at all. And there's your Sync Module 2 USB port, mini USB port and USB port. That one's probably to charge it, and this one's so you could have a USB connected to it for storage. Let's see what else we have in the box. This is in the box as well. It opens up. The 2 batteries. The wall adapter. Some screws. I believe that's the corner mount. The USB cable. some more hardware. So that was everything inside of that box. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Quick start guide and this little tool. This little tool is the, what do they call it? The case opening tool. It's kind of like a SIM card removal tool. So there it is. That's everything you get in the box. I just wanted to show you guys this, opening it and what you get. This model, you can wire it, or you could just hook it up using batteries, which is a pretty nice feature if you don't have the wiring already set up. If you have the wiring already set up, it might be beneficial just to wire it in. But as far as now, if you don't have the wiring, you have options. So there it is. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have one, how you like it so far. Any of the pros and cons. Put it in the comments below. And thank you all for watching this. Bye.